किधर जा रहे हैं तुम लोग? किधर घुस रहे हो यार? क्या कर रहे हो रे? गिर रहा हूँ मैं। सामने आपके हिला मत मुन्ना जी। कौन पीछे क्यों करते हैं? जी यहाँ पर देखिए। अरे मेरे भाई क्या कर रहा है? रुकना। क्या देखो यहाँ पे सामने मैम जी। करीना जी यहाँ पर देखिए। करीना जी इधर सेंटर सामने आपके। करीना जी नहीं वेट
Guys, we get in now. You have
here. All eyes were right at the door waiting for you to make that grand entry. I'd request all of you to please take your seat.
Are you joining us?
Super. So, very happy to be in conversation with the three of you. Like I said, thank you for making the effort to be a part of this very special evening. क्योंकि अगर आज आप यहाँ नहीं होते तो आपको लगता कुछ गलत हो रहा है, कहीं कोई ट्रेन छूट रही है. Karina, I'm going to obviously start with you. 25 years has got nothing on you. You look as beautiful as when we first saw you in the JP Datta film making your debut. Your characters today part of pop culture, whether it's millennials or Gen Zs, we all have seen your characters. We love you. We keep saying your dialogues. How does it feel?
As cliche as it sounds, but it just feels like I just gave my first shot yesterday, because that's the kind of energy I have inside me. So I think I still have that that fire, that want, that need, that that greed of wanting to just be in front of the camera. So I mean today I think I'm feeling honored and humbled, because obviously I'm so grateful to PVR and all of you, to Niharika, to everyone who's actually thought of having this festival for all my films, because I still can't believe it's actually going to be 25 years. But I'm so happy that everyone's going to get to watch all the fun movies, as well as some films that I feel deserve so much more at that time are going to get it now, because they're all going to come and watch it, again. So I feel really, really happy that I'm here, and we're going to talk about my movies and how I enjoyed playing those characters. So very, very excited.
I know, I'm very glad you said that, because there's so many of your films that you, I'm sure, would have wanted for people to see again, and we're getting a chance to actually be able to do that on the big screen. We're talking of today. This Kareena Kapoor Khan Film Festival coincides with the release of your latest.
Were meant to be one thing, but given the success, we want to now adopt a lot of strategy behind them and make them a part of our mainstream programming, and that's an endeavor that we're really pursuing now. So in addition, obviously, to this festival, we're doing an A&R festival this weekend as well, which celebrates his 100-year contribution to cinema. We are looking at some genre-based festivals as well, like a Halloween festival. Because obviously horror is the new thing, but I think we believe that film festival will Chameli and give like those films that didn't get their due, because they are such amazing films, and they're such like you as well said, like they're such risky and they're such brave roles that you don't see a lot of people taking. So we were keen to put 6 films together that are very reflective of her entire career of such bold choices. So that was what it was. Waiting every week. So and we're very excited that the fraternity, the film fraternity, all over India is also very excited about this initiative. So we have a very exciting slate lined up. In addition to this, we have a few films that are coming out in October.
Kamal, Dhyan Chandani and Niharika Bijli.
निम्बल पार्टी है ना भाई? ये लुक किया?
All smiles then.
सेंटर को लगाओ ना.
करेगा.
करीना जी यहाँ पे
सोलो करना है
हाँ क्या बात है क्या बात है
लाइट थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा पीछे जाइए मैडम जी मैडम जी ओ मैडम जी आपके लेफ्ट में
हमारे पास भी देखो
विदाउट हाँ विदाउट
मैडम जी रुकिए
चेहरा हटा दो ना पीछे का पीछे का चेहरा हटा दो
एडॉप से हट जाएगा
Small list of people we must thank.
वेट वेट
ये तो हम शुक्रिया तो बोल दें.
अरे मैडम जी छोड़ो लेना है करीना जी
Our radio partner, Fever FM,
चेहरा हटा दो ना पीछे का
and official music
पीछे का
streaming
चेहरा हटा दो
partner,
ना
Amazon.
अरे कोई नहीं हटाने वाला है
चेयर निकल रहा पीछे
हटा दूं क्या खुद ही
सूझ में हाँ जा जा ये जा केशव चेयर निकालो यार केशव पीछे का चेयर निकालो ना
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you
मैडम
so
जी
much.
अरे नहीं मिला हाँ दादा दिख रहे क्या दादा मैडम जी आपके लेफ्ट में नीचे मैडम जी ओ मैडम जी आपके लेफ्ट में नीचे करीना जी
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
अरे मैडम जी